Hey guys, I'm Berk Kaplan, I'm a car designer and I made a Photoshop course for you. And after this course you will be able to do this, or this, and this. Okay, maybe it's easier to show them all together. But Photoshop is probably the most used software in car design world. And with this course you will start from zero, like even if you never opened Photoshop, it's okay. I will show you from zero and at the end you will be able to do all those sketches. I want to answer one of the most common questions, like what do you need to start this course? What do you need to use Photoshop? First of all, you need a graphic tablet. I personally use this one, which is a Wacom Cintiq 13 HD display tablet. It has a display and I can just see and sketch at the same time. But it doesn't matter, you can also get one of these guys, like Wacom or any other brand. This one is, for an example I'm showing you, it's Wacom Intus, and it doesn't have a display or something, so you can connect it to your laptop and you can just draw over it while seeing what you're doing on your monitor. The brand doesn't matter, the price doesn't matter, the size doesn't matter. All you need is just a device, a graphic tablet, to be able to sketch with the pen on the Photoshop. I also got asked from you guys, like, can you use iPad? If you can run the full version of Photoshop on your iPad by connecting it to probably your laptop or your computer, whatever. And there are some applications, as I know. So short answer is, as soon as you are able to use Photoshop full version with a pen, then you are fine. And I separated my Photoshop course to two different parts. The first part is for the beginners. So on this part, even if you never opened Photoshop, we will start from zero. I will talk about the interface, the logic and strategy of sketching on Photoshop, the tablet pen settings, the brush settings, importing brushes and practicing, how to import your sketch inside, the basic shadow and surfaces, different light situations, and our first car sketch. The first car sketch we will do is this one. So here you will learn the basic shadows, reflections, volumes, layers, basic pen tool, and so on. As you see, from beginner level to this level is already a big step. You will already have a confidence, but it's not finished. We will also do this sketch with the light background. Then we will also do this sketch with the black background. And at the end, for the basic colors, we will do this sketch and we will also learn how to do symmetric sketches. During this course, we will use lots of shortcuts and I will show you all the shortcuts as well. So this is the first part of the Photoshop course. So what's in the part 2 for non-beginners? We will add more colors to our sketches, we will add colors to our background, we will learn Fresnel effect, we will learn more details on different tools, we will learn camera raw filter, we will add rims from photos, also we will learn how to create your own rim pack and sketching with glowing lights. Then we will learn how to make colors more deep and metallic on our cars. Also I will show you some ideation process while having the first base color. And it's not finished. We will even make a little animation by changing the feeling of the sketch and showing the rear lights of the car with some flames coming out of the exhaust. Then after we learn all this stuff, after we have more confidence on the software, we will see how to make this sketch in a very quick way. And at the end we will learn how to add texture to the seat sketch. This way we will learn all you need to make a digital sketch like a professional car designer. So if you are beginner, you can start from part 1. If you are not beginner, you can directly start from the part 2. And if you want to get from the beginner level to professional level, covering all of them, you can get them together also on the link in the description. So guys, I'm really excited to share with you all this knowledge and experience I got for years. Now I want to see you in the course, learn all these things, and I want to see your sketches. So hope to see you there. But before I forgot, of course, you will get all my brush pack and you will get all the PSD files, all these Photoshop files that we create in the course. So you will have everything. You will have everything. No, really, don't wait here. Just go to the link in the description and start to sketch like a professional car designer now. Now.